Baking soda and honey homemade remedy that destroys even the most dangerous diseases. How baking soda, maple syrup or honey homemade remedy can help you fight cancer. Cancer cells love sugar, and mixing and heating alkaline bicarbonate of soda (BS) with sugar-rich maple syrup or honey binds the two together such that the maple syrup targets the sugar-hungry cancer cells, which consume 15x more glucose than normal cells, and thus sneakily also carries the baking soda into the cells, as if inside a proverbial maple syrup Trojan horse. The alkalinity of the baking soda either kills the cancer microbe or reverts it to its hibernation form inside the cancer cell, such that the cell reverts to normal. Or, it has an alkalizing effect, forcing a rapid pH shift that kills the cell. The shock wave of alkalinity allows more oxygen into the cancer cells than they can tolerate. Cancer cell is reverted or eliminated before the sugar delivery can cause cancer cell growth. Here is the recipe of this amazing homemade remedy. Ingredients: baking soda, honey or maple syrup. Directions: combine 1 teaspoon of baking soda for every 1 tablespoon of maple syrup or honey. Because there are 3 teaspoons in 1 tablespoon, the ratio used is 1 part baking soda to 3 parts maple syrup or honey. For example, mix 4 teaspoons baking soda with 4 tablespoons maple syrup or honey. This should be enough for a week. When you mix these 2 ingredients, cook the mixture on low heat for 5 to 10 minutes. Do not refrigerate this mixture. Take 1 teaspoon of this mixture 1 to 3 times per day for a maximum 1 to 2 months. Don't take this mixture too close to meal times. During this therapy you need to change your diet. You need to decrease the meat intake and no sugar or white flour.